Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your subscriptions, the channels that you're subscribed to, visible so that you can enter contests with no problems. I didn't know about this for like the longest time, so I can't even tell you how many contests I probably wasn't eligible for. But this is the YouTube page. You're going to go to your icon here. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to your channel. You're going to go to customize your channel. You're going to go to channels. Then you'll see up here where it says private, and you're going to click on that. That'll open up a new tab here, and then you're going to unselect that where it says keep all my subscriptions private. You want to make sure the checkbox is off, and then save it. Okay, so our changes have been saved. So now we can hit the back button. And maybe we don't hit the back button. Maybe we go back here. Back to your channel. Nope. Just go back to the page you were on where it's a private. Okay, and then refresh it. And then it will say public, and then you're good to go. So hopefully those subscribers that are having some problems with that will do this, and then I can enter you in my contest, and hopefully this will help you out with future contests for all channels on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.